morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. US markets were down 0.6% yesterday. Today morning, Asian markets are mixed as the Ukrainian president has signaled he is open to Ukraine not joining NATO and to a peace agreement with Russia. Although this is a positive development, the US has already went ahead and banned import of Russian oil, which has led to Brent crude oil trading at around 2% higher even just now at $131. Russia forms around 8% of total US oil imports, so this is having some impact. Over next few months, although as supply of crude oil increases from other countries like Iran and possibly also from Venezuela, it is expected that it will decline. However, until that happens, actually on the ground, in the short term, the prices may remain elevated. We have seen that European gas prices have already declined by around 40% from the recent highs. Now I'll invite the technical team to take it forward.
Yes, thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note, and we might see some range-bound trading session during a day. Technically, yesterday we have seen a very smart bounce back rally into the Nifty as well as on the Bank Nifty. Nifty has continued its rally up to 16,000 levels, and it has just maintained a positive closing above the same, which gives us some sort of a relief sign. I believe that today, if Nifty sustains above 16,000 levels, then this rally is likely to be carry forward towards 16,130 level, which is the yesterday's gap is likely to be filled. So 16,130 will be the first level we are likely to be seen into the market, and above that level, 16,200 levels can be seen. Whereas on the downside, 15,940 will be the first support level. So as long as Nifty sustains above this level, the rally is likely to be continued. Coming towards the Bank Nifty has taken a very good support of 32,200 levels and shown a almost 1,000-point rally on the upside, which helped a Bank Nifty to maintain a positive closing above 33,250 levels. Looking towards the momentum of the yesterday's pullback rally, it's likely to be continued towards 33,500 and 33,700 levels on the higher side. Whereas on downside, 33,000 will act as a psychological support level on the Bank Nifty. So as long as Bank Nifty sustains about 33,000 psychological level, the pullback rally is likely to be continued. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, for the today intraday purpose, 15,400 is the first resistance level. If it's cleared that level, then 15,500 and 600 levels can be seen on the higher side. On the flip side, 15,200 is the immediate support level. If it's break that level, then only we can witness some selling pressure, which might take a Nifty Finance towards 15,120 to 15,000 levels on the downsides. Stock specific, Apollo Hospital really looks good on the technical front. We believe it has a potential to reach up to 4,800 levels on the higher side. Downside, it has a good support at around 4,640. So those who have missed this call on yesterday, they can again reinitiate a buy call at the CMP. Stop loss can be kept at 4,640 for a target of 4,800. ITC also really looks good on technical front. From the last few months, we are witnessing a continuous sell-off in this particular counter and was trading in a downward channel. Now it's on the verge of giving the breakout of that channel. Slowly and steadily, the stock will give a breakout, but at the CMP, the risk-reward ratio will be in our favor. That's why we have generated a buy call in this particular stock. We are looking for a target of a 250 levels on the higher side. At the current level, one can take a buy call with a strict stop loss of 217. I think that's it from my end. I request Edward you guys to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. See, yesterday I had clearly said, that Nifty should be buy, and 16,000 levels would come. It has come. I believe now the data is suggesting we might open up, go towards 16,100, but definitely book profits around those levels because open interest has surged quite a bit and Nifty has become open interest heavy. Also, PCR has come up from 0.6869 odd levels to 0.75 overall, and can come up towards the 0.8590 levels. And again, some sort of selling will come in. So whatever you bought yesterday should be booked today and remained on sideways. VIX is still at higher levels, and looking at the overall data, it does suggest that overall we should witness more negative bias going forward. Probably not today, but today is the profit booking day. From the stock specific front, looking at the overall stocks, most of the stocks which went up have witnessed short covering, not real long built up seen in any of the stocks at this point of time. IGL and SBI cards have seen a huge amount of selling pressure in the last 2 or 3 months, and they are likely to move up now. Some more short covering is likely to be seen in these stocks. Other than that, metals are likely to see more selling. Some profit booking is on the offering for the metals, so look out for the same. Banks have moved up, and for today, again, if they open up for another 1 or 2%, that is where book profits and move out of the same, because selling is going to return to banks. Banks have seen a lot of shorts, and these shorts are likely to continue. That's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
On IndusInd Bank, if you recall, a couple of months back, there were some allegations that in their microfinance business, the things are not absolutely correctly going on. And post that, management had said justified themselves by keeping a special con call that it was more to do with a technical glitch in the IT department, and nothing in terms of evergreening or fraud sort of a thing. And post that, they had invited Deloitte to conduct independent review of the allegations. And Deloitte has said that that was actually a technical glitch which led to disbursement of loans without recording of client consent. So there is no adverse finding in respect of compliance or any not meeting any regulatory guidelines. So net this is a positive development for IndusInd Bank. We can see some move today, tomorrow in the stock. ISGC Heavy Engineering, a capital goods company, has received a large order from Shree Cement for waste heat recovery boilers. So that is positive. Also, yesterday, India government said that India will be resuming regular international flights from 27th of March. So naturally, the direct beneficiaries will be the airline stocks like Indigo and SpiceJet. And also indirectly, it will also benefit hotel stocks. So Indian hotels should also move positively. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Zydus Life Science, that is formerly known as Cadila Healthcare, has agreed to acquire assets from Bridge Biopharma. Zydus would be acquiring their Newbury injections, which is used for an ultra-rare, life-threatening pediatric genetic disorder. And they would be marketing this to everywhere and would be paying the milestones and royalties to the Bridge Biopharma. So this is overall a marginal positive for Zydus Life Science. It is increasing their product pipeline for future and adding on a complex product in their product portfolio. So overall, though the company has not disclosed any financial agreements and financial whatever the amount they have decided to pay for this, but this is a marginal positive for Zydus. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.